Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. In this video, we're going to see 8 different sectors which are having very much significance due to recent news rolling around the market. And before going to see the details about these 8 sectors, I would like to say a few points about the trading tips offered by Bull Street through WhatsApp. There are two kinds of trading tips platforms. The first one is Superfans Option. The Superfans Option is purely meant for middle class people, those who are having a working capital of around 10k. 10k is enough to have stock option trading. So for them, we give trading tips with entry price, target price, and related updates through WhatsApp in the live market. All of the trading tips are low priced, low premium stock option tips. So we give very fabulous results. See, if you look at the past performance, money, the 10k becomes 20k, 10k becomes 40k, sometimes 10k becomes 3.5 lakhs, sometimes 10k becomes 2.8 lakhs, sometimes 10k becomes 4 lakhs, rarely 4 lakhs. So such kind of trading tips will be given through WhatsApp. The subscription to join Superfans Option is 7,999 per month. You can remit the subscription by payment gateway like GPay, PhonePe, Amazon Pay, and Paytm to our WhatsApp number. Suppose if you are not interested in trading, if you are having adverse towards trading, if you are busy working in office, if you are working in an IT sector or government sector, or if you are working in a marketing side, so if you are a housewife, very much busy with the housekeeping works, if you are a senior citizen, you don't know how to operate, you don't know much familiar with the technology. Suppose you are working in some other country, your time zone may not be matched with our time zone. So if you're having such kind of difficulties, for you we have another trading tips platform investment. It's not purely trading tips platform. It's known as Superfans Penny, in which we give equity stocks in the price range of just 5 paise, yes, just 5 paise to a maximum of 20 rupees. These kind of equity stocks you can buy and hold for over a period of few months to few years. These stocks will give fabulous results. For example, last year we gave a recommendation about Cell Manufacturing Company at the rate of just 1 rupee 35 paise, and after a period of 1 year it went up to 1,975 rupees. So it means that if a person invested about 10,000 rupees in this particular penny stock, the 10,000 rupees would have become 1.46 crores in 1 year. Same in the past years, we gave a recommendation J Corporation at the price of just 15 rupees, and within a span of just 1 year and not a few months, the 15 rupees becomes 15,000 rupees, 1,000 times 15,000 rupees. See, imagine that if a person invested about 10,000 rupees in this particular stock at 15 rupees, the 10,000 rupees would have become 1 crore rupees in a period of 1 year. So such kind of miracles rarely occur in this Superfans Penny. So if you are busy with your work, your business, you can subscribe to Superfans Penny. The subscription to join Superfans Penny is 7,999 per month. So I used to say that one has to earn money from option trading, and one has to invest the earned profit from option trading to buy penny stocks for wealth making in long term basis. So it's better you can subscribe to Superfans Option and Superfans Penny together. Now we go to this video to look at the 8 sectors. So recently the government data says that, comparing with February and March, the March data says that the these 8 sectors drastically down with respect to the production. See, the sectors are coal, crude oil, and natural gas, refinery products, fertilizers, steel, cement, and electricity. And we need not to look into all 8 sectors. So if you are an aggressive trader in futures and option, you can concentrate on stocks related to coal, and stock related to oil, and stock related to natural gas and refinery, and of course steel will not give much profit. It has high volatile movement. So if you are a person in equity segment, if you are interested in seasonal buying and selling, you can concentrate these stocks. Along with these stocks, you can concentrate on fertilizers and steel, cement, and of course electricity. So I can say that if you are interested to make great money in the month of May month series, in particularly in option segment, concentrate on coal stocks, concentrate on oil stocks, and concentrate on natural gas stocks, and of course you can add Reliance from the refinery sector. So when these 8 sectors are having a setback, the production capacity is reduced in 8 sectors, means we need not worry about the economy. So if you, because while we are in the stock trading or stock investment, every adverse situation is an opportunity. So when these 8 sectors are having a setback, you can find out the bottom fishing prices in 8 sectors. If you are an equity long-term investor, if you are an aggressive trader, concentrate, as I said, few of the sectors. Find your right entry price and right exit price in option trading. Yourself to make yourself comfortable to create great wealth within 1 month. So the May month series is a very good series, which is going to give a great money for option traders and of course future traders. We are not concerned with the Nifty and the Bank Nifty in this video. If at all we want, we can concentrate on Nifty and Bank Nifty in separate video. So don't miss these 8 sectors, particularly the 3 or 4 sectors for this May month F&O series. Now I would like to say a few more points. I request you to subscribe to the Superfans Option, which gives fabulous results, because in the past experience, the investment in the working capital 10k becomes 20k, 10k becomes 40k, 10k becomes 1 lakh, and 10k becomes 2.4 lakhs, 10k becomes 2.8 lakhs, and 10k becomes rarely 4 lakhs. So you can able to have such kind of opportunity when market cooperates. So it's better you can subscribe to Superfans Option. And Superfans Penny, as I said, it gives fabulous wealth making for short term as well as long term. And another one is we used to conduct option trading courses by correspondence. Lessons will be sent through email. There will be 4 lessons in each category. Each lesson has 1 trading tricks. These trading tricks are based on our own experience. We have vast 4 decades experience. So the aim of the courses are: one is the stock option trading, second one is Nifty option trading, and third one is Bank Nifty option trading. All these courses are rated as 7,999. So I mean to say that the stock option course fees is 7,999, and Nifty option course fees is 7,999, and Bank Nifty option course is also 7,999. You can remit the course fees by payment gateway like GPay, PhonePe, Amazon Pay, Paytm to our WhatsApp number, and you can join immediately. The lessons will be sent one by one by email. So all these lessons are self-explanatory. You can learn these trading tricks, and you can make yourself confident over trading. And another one is, suppose you want to have a seamless, easy and flexible trading, particularly with respect to low priced penny level option trading. Your trading account is not sufficient. So there is a link given in the description box. Click the link today, now itself. You can open a trading account, a mobile trading app, to trade in low priced option as well as low priced equity penny stocks. And another one is, I request you to give a like to this video, share this video, kindly forward this video to your friends, relatives and colleagues directly, and also forward this video in the social media network where you are connected, like Facebook, Insta and WhatsApp. Thank you very much. I'm Vijay.